Hi everybody, Whitney Magnuson here with a color block stamping technique. So I'm using this new background, crisscross hearts, and then I'm going to line up a A2 sheet of cardstock inside of my MISTI, just adhering it with a little piece of purple tape to keep it in place. Then I went ahead and I just grabbed some regular computer paper, it's really thin, and I cut it in to two A2 sized panels, and then I cut it in half lengthwise and then widthwise. So I have two little masks here, and it's just going to mask off a little rectangle each time. So we're going to start with our first color, and it is Passionate Pink by Gina K Designs. And I just love how this is turning out. It turned out really fun. So now we're going to move our mask and reveal our next little rectangle. So notice I'm not moving the stamp at all, and so all of our different color stamping is going to be like seamless. Even though it's all different colors, it's all going to match up and look awesome, giving that color block effect. So this is a green color, and it's called Key Lime. It's another Gina K color. And each time just cleaning off that stamp and moving that mask to reveal our next little rectangle. And just with the masks, make sure it's lined up right on the paper so it's not off at all. And then this next color here is Lovely Lavender. It's just a really pretty light purple color. And then our last little rectangle here, we are going to be grabbing a really pretty turquoise color. Again, a Gina K Designs ink, and this is in the color Sea Glass. It's just kind of a light turquoise, light blue color. So I'm really excited for you guys to see the reveal of this. I think this will be a fun technique with all sorts of backgrounds. You can try it out and get a different effect. So there is our four colors, and I'm just going to make a simple kind of one layer card. We're going to stamp the sentiment right on there. This is Thanks by Heart of Autumn. And I'm using VersaFine Clair Nocturne to get a really dark pigmented impression there. Then I'm going to grab there's a little sentiment in the same kit, Heart of Autumn, that says My Friend. And it's just kind of a little baby stamp, and so we're going to stamp that right underneath the thanks. And I'm going to grab a little piece of acetate and stamp it down first just to make sure that I like how it's all lined up, because I wanted it kind of perfectly right tucked underneath that thanks. So there that is. Then I am going to go ahead, I die cut that panel with a stitched rectangle die, and then we're going to pop it up on a white sheet of cardstock for a little bit of white matting, and then adhere that to a white A2 card base. So pretty much the hardest part of this card was me deciding what I'm going to do for embellishments. I brought out some Nuvos, decided against those, and then grabbed these adhesive enamel drops, and I'm just kind of playing around. In the end, I just ended up with the green and the light blue. I thought that that looked the best, but there's lots of possibilities with this. Just have fun with it. So here I am finally deciding what I'm going to do, adding that third little gem, and this is the finished effect, a really clean and simple color block look. I hope that you guys liked this technique and you try it out with your Unity background stamps. Thanks so much for watching.